This is a replacement Kreg pocket hole drill bit. So it includes the bit itself, the depth collar with the Allen screw, and a wrench to tighten the collar. So this is a slightly updated version of their drill bits than what they used to manufacture. So this one's cool because it has the stop depth indicators actually etched right onto the bit, so you know exactly where to put the collar. So the collar has this little viewing hole right here. So if you want to make a pocket hole for 3/4 inch material, you would align that there, 1/2 inch right there, 1.5 inch up there, and anywhere in between. So this is compatible with all of Craig's pocket hole jigs like this right here. And what it allows you to do is drill these pocket holes. So using a jig like this, the bit goes right in here and drills out these holes. So you use these pocket hole screws to make all sorts of joinery. So the most unique part about this bit is the tip. So it has a narrower section here. If you can imagine the body of the screw going there, and then it creates a seat for the head of the screw to sit and pull the material down. Now the wrench also has kind of a material thickness gauge on it. It's not going to be super precise. It's kind of weird. It actually, so like the 3/4 measurement is actually right to the center of the text. So it kind of is giving you a range. These tick marks is giving you a range to indicate, what setting to have the drill bit at, depending on where the material falls between those tick marks. But the wrench has an Allen key on both ends of it, so you can get different leverage. So you can use it like this or like this to get it really tight. So again, these work with all Kreg jigs, but you can also use this freehand as well. So this drill bit will fit into quick connect chucks as well as regular drill chucks like this. So you can use this freehand by starting perpendicular to the material, getting a hole started, and then tipping the drill at an angle to cut the pocket. All right, so that's my review of the Kreg pocket hole drill bit.